Hey, dat is how I baths. Watch where's you pointing dat end lil birdie. What dat saying? I'll lend a hand worth. I'm loosing you hand cause face it. You not getting dat hand back, it forever says. I still think dad red pandas are people in suits. It a conspiracy, no matter how cuties they are. Speaking of ice, the panda did it to the lake I am sure's. OMG, dad is cute, but who put baby in waters? Yep, sure this time, evil panda peoples. Links to all videos in description. Larry cites his sources. Sub for more Larry. Okay, I love you, bye bye.